Mistakes is a part of life. In every career, if you are a business owner, students, or an entrepreneur, or you are just newbie and want to start something with your life, then let me tell you one secret, that's mistake will happen. In every single day you will find tons amount of challenges in your career when you are starting off. Let me tell you about my story in this video, that 7 mistakes I did in my life, in my career, that actually turned into a so profitable system for me, and right now it made me who I am today. The first mistake which I did is I have started without goals. There is a clear scenario, they are written everywhere that you need to have goals in your life, you need to have dreams in your life. I am also telling you that you need to have goals in your life, but when you are not clear with your goals, then I want to tell you that start with action. So I started with action, I started with commitment that I will help businesses to manage their social media, I will provide them lead generation and sales help to my services. So I just started with that system which I actually know. I was not clear about where I am going actually, but I didn't waited, I have started giving services to my clients. Second mistakes which I did is that I was focusing on meeting clients requirement and giving away everything for free. What I mean to say is that I worked for clients completely free at the starting point of time. I have made logo for clients, I have created website for clients, even I know that I have helped one of client to manage the applications and get thousands of installed for that applications at the initial time without getting a single penny from him. Even I didn't expected a single payment from that client, but that was not mistake actually. That gives me a power to understand that how to incentivize people. If you will incentivize people, then it will give value. So at the end of the day, the clients are coming to me and asking me that Hiten, you have helped us. So what would you do if I want to scale my project, I want to scale my business? Then I have pitched my services and I have started getting paid from each one of clients in long run. Third mistake which I did is I was focusing on learning and implementing all the stuff for my clients business, not for my businesses. But that was not my mistakes actually. When I have seen that the perception, I have seen the stuff actually working on my clients business, I was getting results for them, then it got me belief, it makes me strong that I started believing in myself that these systems are actually working for my clients, then it should work for me as well. So since then I have started implementing that same advertisement system for my business. I have started generating leads every month, so I was able to manage 10 to 15 plus clients every single month in my agency, and I've started getting cash flows. So since then I have got much billings in my offices. I have started building teams as well. The fourth mistake which I did, that was I was focusing on watching different YouTube videos and seeing a lot of different blogs which were not relevant to my businesses actually, but that was my wrong myth. When I started believing that all the random blogs about different topics and different topics of video which I was watching on YouTube, that was a discipline which needful for every business and entrepreneurs if a business owner wants to run an organization successfully with all the disciplines. So I have learned finances, I have learned sales, I have learned communications, I have learned team building, I have learned how to scale your business, I have learned marketing, I have learned customer behavioral psychology, I have learned so many stuffs online. So that turned me actually a profitable ways for me. The fifth mistakes I did was I was hiring employees for each project. So whenever I used to get project from clients, I used to hire manpower for that project because I thought that project could not run without team. So I have started investing in teams. I have invested my time to build teams as well. So for 2 to 3 years, I have invested a lot of money on my team. So day by day, I was involving with each and every task and challenging tasks with my team. I was discussing all the perspective with my teams. We have solved a lot of queries for our clients, and that actually gives me gives me a power to understand how this economy is working. If you are hiring a manpower, then you need to manage teams. You need to acquire a lot of emotional intelligence skills inside you as a business owner if you want to manage a team. Sixth mistake which I did, that I was understanding my students and my clients so deeply. I was actually involving in their life. So I was sitting in front of him like I am sitting on his place. So when they were struggling and they were hesitating while speaking to me, they were not used to speaking transparently to me. So I have understood them deeply, and I have clarified the picture that you can grow even without budget. So I started helping each one of clients that even if they have a lowest budget, I have helped someone who have budget of 500 rupees, still I have given them the business. That gives me that business can run with the marketing system. So that marketing systems actually is a part of my course. Seventh mistakes which I did is I have invested a lot of time by meeting people. So every single day I used to meet 10 to 12 people, and I was spending time with them. That was so valuable time for me, and that is a mistake, just because people are saying that if you are investing your time for someone else, then you are not getting growth for your life, because time is money, time is allocation. But in my case, that turns actually profitable for me, just because I believe in this scenario that I have invested time by understanding them. So that understanding made me who I am today, because right now I am on the mission to help students, business entrepreneurs and coach, consultant and service provider to manage their business from a single place without putting much effort by hiring different manpower or agencies, and they are saving a lot of cost by them. So this is my mission actually. So see, in this whole video I have mentioned 7 different mistakes which I did for my life, but let me clear with you guys, that was not mistakes actually. That mistakes actually turned the way and made me who I am today. So I want to tell you that if you are making mistakes, then set the perception in your mind that you are not making mistakes, you are actually doing good for your life. But not understanding that mistakes and not articulating that mistakes and how you can self-aware with that mistakes and the solutions, then you will get grow in your life. I want you to make sure that the making mistakes is not a big mistakes, it's a regular thing. So apply for your life, learn from the mistakes and do some actions against it and get grow in your life. You will achieve a lot. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because every week I will come up with good and helpful content for your business, and my mission is to help you guys every way I can. So do subscribe, also share these videos to your friends and family, and yes, wait for my next video.